I'm back again with another video. As you can see, I have some orders that I need to do. I do have some new designs that's on my website. And then today starts our 20% off sale, so go check that out. But this is a new design rolling with the Detroit Lions, and also I have one with the Steelers, and then this is a new design too with I'm rolling with the Cowboys. You can either get the tray or you can actually get the full set. So here's the ashtray, and then the jar is drying. So I'm just gonna proxy these trays. So this is the original I'm rolling with the Cowboys, and then this is just the tray. So I'm going to be finishing up these. Then I will be receiving some more bling tubes soon, so look out for the restock for that. So yeah, I haven't been posting. I've just been doing the orders and pretty much sending them out. Haven't had the time to really make a video. So I'm waiting for some more grinders as well. Since we're starting off the sale today, I'm going to go grab some more inventory. But yeah, 20% off on certain items, so go make sure you check that out. So I also had an order for the dew tube, and then the lighter is a free gift. This one is 2 pink ones and a lighter as well. So the 2 pink dew tubes and the pink lighter.